Welcome back to the uKnowva HRMS course. In this video, we will learn how to approve business head ratings in uKnowva HRMS. Let's get started. To begin, navigate to the left side navigation panel and click on the My Performance menu. From the list of available options, select the Business Head Ratings submenu. This will open a new page displaying the rating status of all business heads in the system. On this page, you will see a list of business heads along with their rating details. To approve ratings, select the checkbox next to the name of the business head whose ratings you want to approve. Once the required names are selected, click on the Approve button. After clicking Approve, an alert message will appear asking you to confirm the action. Click on OK to confirm the approval. Once confirmed, the ratings for the selected business heads will be successfully approved in the system. That's it. You now know how to approve business head ratings in uKnowva HRMS. Thank you for watching.